Well, Craig, by no means an easy evening at the office there. How do you reflect on that one?
Yeah, I thought we were really well organised. We defended really well, had a good shape. We frustrated them in large periods of the game. Just to maybe said to the boys there, a little bit disappointed in our product. We've gotten some good areas, good positions to ask a few more questions. Have a little bit more quality from some wide areas, crosses in the box, build up play. Something make them defend a little bit more. So that's where my disappointment was, because I don't know what was, but certainly the second half as well, we got in some really good final third entries, and we didn't really ask a lot of questions. It fizzled out, or hit the first man, or didn't quite get it right.
What do you think it was that made this evening the challenge that it was?
Yeah, they're a very good team, very experienced team. That their front four players, the two wingers, their number 9 and number 10 are very good players, and the two midfielders behind them have got lots of experience. Right the way through the team, they're a very experienced team. So yeah, we always knew the quality they had. We always knew, that the ability they had, I don't think they've not peppered, we're far from it. I think they've had one more shot at our goal. Connor Roberts has made one more save in the first half from both the goal and that opportunity come with us just switching off for a second.
You mentioned opportunity there. Is there an element at all of this evening being a missed opportunity for the New Saints, bearing in mind that there was only a goal in it?
Yeah, I think when you step back and look back and reflect, and everyone's fantastic, everything with hindsight, aren't they? So you look at it from that point of view, and because it was so close, it wasn't like I said, like I said, I think Connor Roberts has only made one more save. That it was a good save, but we always knew it was going to be hard from the start. We always knew it was going to be tough, and like I said, they're a good team, and they've got different dimensions to their team. They can pass it, they can go in behind you, they've got pace, they're direct, and the one thing I was really, really pleased with is how well we defended their set plays, because they're really strong from set plays.
It's a result as well that sees you just slip down the table there. 2 games left, 2 big games, 4 points available. Is there enough?
Yeah, there's 2 games left, so it is what it is. You've got to remember, Djurgården, what was it, 2 weeks ago, beat Panathinaikos. So we put a really good performance up tonight. Yes, that doesn't give us points, but it gives us more confidence knowing at home we can be a tough team to beat. And if you start and finish at a tough team to beat, you've always got an opportunity. And on a different night, when we just get things a little bit better in the final third, then we have the opportunity maybe to get a point or get 3.
Panathinaikos, of course, as you mentioned, you face here in a fortnight's time.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Keeps coming, it's brilliant, it's fantastic. This is what we're all involved with it for. This is lots of people have gone before me and worked their socks off and pushed the club forward and forward and forward, and we're just really proud that we're the ones that can represent at this period of time that we'll get ourselves in this conference group stage. We still want to try our best to get in that top 24, and if not, we need to try and get as high up the competition as we can. But yeah, we've got 2 games left, and we'll be looking forward to every one. We've got 6 games in between. So now we can turn away. We've got a semi-final on Sunday that everyone's looking forward to, and the lads will have a day off tomorrow. We'll go again on Saturday, and we'll travel down to Barry and prepare properly and be ready for that.